The Farmer and His Sons. 농부와 아들들. Long ago, a farmer lived with his 3 sons. The land was fertile, the air was pure, but the sons constantly argued and never worked in harmony.
Sons, I grow old. Soon I will leave this world. But before I go, listen to my last words carefully.
The sons gathered, curious and silent for once.
There is a hidden treasure buried in our field. Dig deep, and you will find it.
The sons' eyes lit up with excitement. After their father's passing, they rushed to the fields, turning over every inch of soil.
Dig here. I think I found something. No, over here it's deeper.
Let's work together. We'll find it faster.
They dug and dug, sweating under the sun, working as they never had before. But they found no chest, no gold, no coins.
There's no treasure. Was it just a trick?
But soon, something amazing happened. Crops began to sprout, more bountiful than ever. The field they had toiled in flourished.
Wait, this is the treasure.
Our father's wisdom. He meant the value of hard work.
From then on, the brothers worked together in peace, and their farm became the richest in the village, not with gold, but with unity and fruit. The end.
Long ago, on a quiet farm, a farmer worked with love and charm. The land was rich, the sky was blue,